I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You must start as an administrator. Once signed in, open Windows Settings, then Accounts and Family and Other Users, or visit Microsoft Family online. Make sure you have the child's Microsoft email and your organizer credentials ready because you will remove or change their membership. Once done, locate the family member entry and click the Manage link. This begins the removal process. Do this now, don't skip straight to devices. These first actions give you access to the controls you need to turn off family safety. Once you've opened the Family Manager page, select the child account and choose Remove from Family if you want family safety fully off, or change to Adult only if the account qualifies. Make sure to explicitly disable activity reporting and screen time limits. These are separate toggles. For content filters and app or game limits, open each category and set them to Off or to Allow. If the account is managed on the Microsoft site, make changes there and wait for them to sync back to the PC before moving on. To finish, sign the user out and restart the PC. This forces Windows to refresh policies and apply your changes. Then sign in as the child and verify previously blocked apps, sites, or time limits are gone. If restrictions remain, make sure the account isn't still tied to Microsoft Family Online. Remove it from account. Microsoft.com/family or temporarily change it to a local account. One key troubleshooting tip. If settings keep returning, check that the organizer account truly removed the child or that you have
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.